Hello, everyone. Welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today's episode, we're going to make chicken soup, Persian chicken soup, which is very easy and very delicious, is perfect for this cold season. The first ingredient is chicken. You can use any part of the chicken or just the whole chicken, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. But I use the chicken drumstick because it's got bones, and bones are a perfect source of collagen. And of course, the meat is protein. The second ingredient is parsley, curly parsley, onions, salt, pepper, turmeric, garlic powder. I have some celery that's already frozen and I can use it for this soup, and carrots. The ingredient measurement depends on how many people are you cooking for, but as we go along, I will let you know. And at the end, definitely after you mix everything, you need water. I use boiling water because you just want to keep the temperature of the food on a perfect hot level. Let's get started. And here is the first ingredient. I chopped a large size onion into very small pieces, and I'm going to add it to the pot, and I add just a tiny bit of avocado oil and let it gently fry because I like the aroma of the fried onion in the soup. I have a package of chicken drumstick here. I definitely rinse it to make sure it's all clean, and then I add it on top of the frying onions. I added 6 drumsticks on top of the frying onions. I let one side fry gently and I turn it around, and then I'm going to start adding the rest of the ingredients. This is good for about 4 to 5 people. I had some chopped celery in the freezer. I made sure it is thawed and I rinsed it with cold water, and I added it on top of the chicken. This is one bunch of celery. This is 1 cup of baby carrot, organic baby carrot. I chopped it and I'm going to add it on top of this. I added 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, turmeric, and garlic powder. And at this point, I can add the boiling water on top of it. The next ingredient is curly parsley. In Persian cooking, we usually use curly parsley, and I'm going to chop it in very small pieces and add it on top of the soup. Here is the chopped parsley, then I'm going to add it on top of the rest of the ingredients in the soup pot. And please make sure it starts boiling. After you see it's boiling, then you can reduce the temperature into low and let it cook for about 2 to 3 hours. The longer it cooks, the better it's going to be. And if you like, you can add some other ingredients as you wish. There is no limit to creativity. It is your pot. You can add whatever you like to it. There are 2 other ingredients that I forgot to mention. You need organic tomato sauce or any kind of tomato sauce, tomato paste you have, because the Persian chicken soup is red. And I have 1 cup of vermicelli, which is added to the soup at the very end. And I decided to add 1 stalk of ginger here. It is not very Persian, but I like to add it because it gives it a kick. And at the end, I can remove it, and it has all the good nutrition facts that you need for a good soup. All the ingredients are added. The soup has started to boil. Then I can add the lid and put it on medium-low and let it cook for at least 2 to 3 hours. Our chicken soup is perfectly ready, and now is the time to add the last ingredient, which is the small vermicelli. Once we add that, then we let it cook for 15 minutes and it is going to be ready for serving. Our very delicious chicken soup is ready to be served, and here we go. Have a look. And this is the final touch before I serve the chicken soup. I'm going to squeeze a lemon. Stir it. Our very delicious and amazing chicken soup is ready to be served. I hope you make it and enjoy it. Bon appetit and nusheja. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It's free.